In the previous video, I showed you how to change the font weight of product prices on the collection pages in Shopify Don't theme, while in this video I'm going to apply the same change, but this time to the product page. Once the change is applied, both the regular prices and the sale prices will display in bold on product pages, just like you see right here. So to make this change in your Don't theme, the steps are as follows. First, we'll log into your Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Now locate Don't theme, then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Drop Down, then select Products, and click on Default Product. Then on the left under Template, click on Product Information, then scroll all the way to the bottom and expand the Custom CSS section. We'll add the Custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the product prices. Let's right-click on the regular price, then select Inspect. To change the font weight of the regular price, we'll target the following class selector. It's price-item _regular. And to change the font weight of the sale price, the selector is going to be price-item _sale. Perfect. So let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period price-item _regular. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type font-weight, space bold, followed by semicolon. Now copy the current rule. Let's add some space. Let's paste it right over here. Now let's just only change the last part. Instead of regular, let's type sale. Now let's save the changes. Now let me go back to my website. Let's try opening one of the products. And as you can see, both the regular price and the sale price are displayed in bold. And this change will be reflected in other product pages. Let's open another product. Yes, you can see all the prices are now in bold. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.